let's stay here.
Okay.
Because we're pretty close to the Princess Auto. I was just checking behind me to see if you'd be impeding traffic, but it looks like they're going about the same speed we are behind us here anyway, so we're not impeding the traffic at 50. Satellites coming up. You could give the guy behind you an early left signal, just so he knows that you're moving. A little bit later. Yeah, right about here. That's good.
Can't see the lines.
Right. Excellent. And then we're going to turn right down the first laneway. Go right to the end and turn left. I'm going to go to the other side of the parking lot here. Okay, to the end. We'll make a left turn down the laneway here.
Right here?
Yep. Like right down that laneway right there. Left turn. It's okay. And we're going to, let's back it into the space on this side of the gray car.
All the snow?
Yeah. A little too close. Stay over there. Yeah.
The gray car, like you said?
Yeah, right in this spot right here.
Am I far enough?
Mm-hmm. That's perfect. Because if you get too close, then you're going to end up far from the car. You're making all the necessary steering adjustments. Nice and parallel, that's good. Yep. Yep, that's good. That's good.